This is vlog one. It's pretty it's a cloudy day. Right now it's pretty good. I mean, this is my first weather vlog. I mean, it's not really too much to worry about. So I guess I'll catch you later. Okay, looks a bit different outside. It's weird. Kind of changed. I guess I'll catch you later. Right now, I am not really scared for any sort of thunderstorms or anything. So, I guess I'll catch y'all later.
The National Weather Service has reported.
God, a severe thunderstorm warning? I was not expecting that. Do I seriously have to go shelter because of this severe thunderstorm? It's not as bad as a tornado, but fine. I'll listen. Alright, I'm in my sheltering spot. I mean, it's not perfect, but that's fine. It's not a tornado warning or watch or anything like that.
The National Weather Service
Like clockwork, there. Well, I'm not gonna say anything, because apparently it happens after I say it. I'm gonna stay tuned in here with you this time. Like effing clockwork, that just happened. I hope nothing bad else happens. Really don't. Today's not a good day for this. Really, at all. Alright, I'm gonna go tune to the weather station, so I'll be right back. Okay, hello everyone. This is the beginning for a maybe powerful storm, actually. Here we have Jacksonville. We're gonna take away this diamond, which is representing where Jacksonville is. And we are going to get into our shapes and get a rectangle for like an rectangle, squarish for like where the area is. So it's near Jacksonville, and this isn't even a warning yet that Jacksonville will be covered up. So this is what we have right now. Marked, we have Jacobin County. We have Landstream County. In Gutland. So if you're in any of these areas, please get to a shelter. A tornado watch means a tornado watch means storms are capable of being produced. We are actually going to stay on the air, so don't get scared about us going off and everything. But we also need you to stay tuned for any possible warnings, because that's something to be scared of now. So we're gonna stay with you. So just remember, this tornado watch is in effect until 6:15, so you guys have about 30 minutes for Jacobin, Landstream, and Gutson. So be prepared for.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for north central Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia, southwestern Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:50.
All right, everybody, you heard that. There is a tornado warning. Let's get our shapes out. We're actually going to get a parallelogram so that you can be more informed about where this is. It is not a very large one, but we will tell you which counties there are. I think there's only about 2. All right, so Jacobin County. Jacobin County and Landstream County. So you guys are gonna have to hide. Well, not hide, I mean shelter. Well, now this is only issued for 6, so you guys only have about 14 minutes. So the tornado's only supposed to be on the ground for a couple of minutes. It's not supposed to be anything too bad, but of course, we can't always be correct. So you guys have a few minutes. We're going to do the predictions of time. The full warning is until... Alright, just got some news. The full warning is until 7. I'm going to let you guys all know when you guys should be sheltering immediately, but when the tornado warning is going to be in effect. So, the tornado warning for Jacobin County is going to be here about is going to be here at about 5:55. So, you guys have about 7 minutes. So, get there immediately with 3-day supplies. You don't need them really. Just at least a bottle of water for anything to happen. Few canned foods. Get a blanket, pile it over yourself in an interior or no window room. Landstream, you have a little bit longer. You have until 6:14, but still use all that time very wisely to get all your stuff. So you guys have about 28 minutes. You guys have about 25 minutes. So, in Landstream, you guys have about 25 minutes to get your stuff. So, get it ready. Don't be scared, but we're about to go off air. We'll come back on air with all the information that we'll have later. Thanks. All right, got some new information. These time predictions are not correct. Jacobin, now, tornado warning is in effect. Landstream, you have about until 6:10, so you guys have still 21 minutes. So that's a pretty good amount of time. But you're going to want to go immediately. So, everyone be sheltering, please. Thank you. Now we have F predictions. Yeah, something we have here. We have E-F predictions. So, of course, these can always change. Jacobin, your E-F well, this whole storm is going to be the same E-F prediction. So, this E-F prediction is currently a 2 to 3. So, it's going to be a moderate to barely severe. No. So, from moderate to severe, the chart is 1 is barely so EF0 is very light damage. EF1 is little damage. EF2 is moderate. 3 is severe. 4 is very destructive, and 5 is catastrophic. So that's what we're looking at right now. We don't know the exact, but just stay tuned to figure this out. Thank you. Shelter now! Shelter now! Oh, you guys all heard the tornado siren. We have a confirmed, very large, destructive tornado on the ground. This is in the E-F5. We have never seen this in Jacobin history. We have never seen this in the entire state of Jacoby world. This is in the now we have cities in this because of how big it's going to be. We have in its path. All right. So for in the path, we have Jacksonville, Breslin, Scheimeyer, Los Grande, Penelope, Mainstream City, and Ballbuck. So we will show you where this is, and especially which direction it is heading, because you need to know this. So it is heading at about crap. I do not know my directions. I am so sorry, but this is how long it's gonna be, how thick it's gonna be, and where it's going. So it's going to extend down from the capital all the way up about 50 miles radius. We only can hope that this gets better. So we will get you more news as we can. The sirens are going to keep running and running until this destructive tornado is over. This is not good. I never thought in my whole life I'd be in an E-F5 tornado. Especially living here. You get like E-F1s. And you don't even know if you're going to get one, like, every decade. This is the safest place that has been named. Even this state only has a 5% chance. Even this state only has a 20% chance of tornadoes for every summer. Let alone the capital having, like, a 5%. And then the entire, like, western portion of this whole country only does have a 1% chance of more than EF3s. And then you gotta think that's in a place that has a 45% chance of tornadoes every year. I'm in a place with about a 15% chance. So that gives us like a 0. Like basically as much as Fort Wayne, Indiana has to even have an EF3 or something. Like very little. Fort Wayne is never gonna get one of those. So, crap. This is really scary, actually. I'm gonna stay tuned in to the weather radio, and we're gonna just continue to see what happens. Alright? See ya. Alright, everyone. Oh, gosh. I can see the tornado. Alright, I need to get my own shelter. Wait a minute, guys. Sorry. I'm just scared. Oh, God. Oh, it's heading right for the tower. Ah! Ah!